What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and we have another episode of some live action inside the shop. Let's check it out. We got a 7.3 liter getting some injector cups taken out. We got an Excursion 7.3 liter Power Stroke getting an engine pulled out the front. That bad boy is actually getting a new long block put in, so it's a pretty big job. We got to be extra careful and check it out thoroughly. So we got a Ram turbo replacements, electrical diagnostics on that bad boy. I'm not sure what this thing, I think this thing is in for diagnostics as well. Duramax gearbox on that big bad boy over there from Redhead Steering gearbox. And then here we got an F250, a 6.0 I believe, with the front end conversion, a front clip conversion actually, but you know what I mean. Here is getting a complete front end overhaul, tie rods, drag links, ball joints, pads, rotors, you name it, completely front end. And then she'll be getting an alignment done, getting her alignment done after that. Also getting new tires, I believe she's getting tires as well. So, and then we got a 6.4 liter with the cab up. This 6.4 engine is gonna get the bed plate seals replaced, and that requires for us to reseal the bottom, the front cover, the rear cover. We're gonna scatter her in pieces and check it out thoroughly, and then we'll see what we find underneath all of that. Beautiful thing about it, and what I'm most proud of that we worked really hard at, is that we are able to service your truck bumper to bumper, major engine repairs, front end and alignments, diagnostics, and small engine repairs. We got you for whatever you need. Hit us up, social media, give us a call at the office. We're always willing to chat with you. We'll get you taken care of. We won't ignore you. Thank you again. Social media, call the office. We got you. Thank you.